back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing a song Happier Than Ever. It's by Billie Eilish, and I'm going to show you guys how to play this for the beginner player, the intermediate, and the advanced player. So just stay tuned for that. Using basic chords, we're not going to be using the capo. All right, so the first part of the song, let me actually restart the song so that I make sure I'm giving you guys the accurate chords. All right, so first of all, I'm going to show you the chords that I'm going to be using. We have C, open, 3, 2, open, 1, open, right? Going off to, this is an E7, right? It's basically E, but you're using 2 strings instead of 3. So that's open, 2, open, 1, open, open, right? And then you have A minor, open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. And then we have this should be a D major 7, I think. Yeah, D major 7, which is open, 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 1, 1, 1. Right, and then G7, which is G, but instead of holding the 3rd here on your 1st string, you're holding 1. So that becomes 3, 2, open, 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 1. All right. So the intro real quick. All right, so that's this is C add 9, and it's C, but then you're hammering on the 3rd fret of your 1st string. So that's open, 3, 2, 1, open, 3, 2, open, 1, 3. So you play that twice. Oh, it's 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. You're now opening, right? And then you go to 1. You're already on G now. So C, open, and then you go to the G7, right? And then you start the song. When I'm away, I'm happier than ever. Wish I could explain it better. I wish it wasn't true. So you're playing C, and then you go to that E7. And then A minor. That's the D major 7 off to G, and then C. Okay, so that's your verse. Okay, and so it's C. It's the same chords to E7, and then you go to A minor. That D major 7, G, and then you start again C. My strumming pattern here is basically down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. There's the it is inferior part. It's E7. Alright, so that's don't say you run away. Right, so that's E7 to A minor. That's a D, alright? And then we come back to that's D major 7, G, and then we're back to away from you, I'm happier than ever. Right? And you're doing that same routine we were doing for the verse. Right? And then you can stay on C. And then we are starting the second part of the song. So this part is C. You told me again minor, and E minor is open, 2, 2, open, 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 right? And we're playing C to E minor, and then A minor to F. So you can play F to F minor, right? It sounds better. But yeah, that's basically the routine. I don't relate to you. C to E minor. I don't relate to you. A minor, F, and then F minor. So again, C, E minor, A minor, F, F minor. So C, E minor, A minor, F, and then F minor. Excuse me. Right, so that's the structure of the song, and then you get into, let's get into the strumming pattern for this part, right? It's down, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. But then you're muting your chords with your palm, right? To just add rhythm. So transition is it's an advanced way to play it. If you're beginner or intermediate, you can just play F major throughout. Okay, now let's finish off the song. I think it's essentially the rest of the song. It's gonna be the same rhythm. Let's see, just to make sure. Right now, the advanced player wants to play bar chords because that will help you to do. So we have C, and then we go to E minor, and then we go to A minor on the 5th fret in the E minor shape, right? And then we come to F, and then again, and then the beginner player can play this, which is 1 open, 3, 2, 1 open for the F if you're not well versed with bar chords, okay? And then the intermediate player would want to pluck the "You ruined everything, girl." Right, and my plucking there is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 for C, and then for E it's 6, 4, 3, 2, and then for A minor 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 again. For F 6, 5, 4, 3. Same for F minor, right? And then what else? So that's pretty much it for this song. I guess finger style would be the advanced way to play, and if you guys need that, just let me know. I can do a tutorial on that also. Cheers. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.